Hey dudes, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. I'm just some guy, and this is just a screen. So I've got these screens, and as you can see, this one is real messed up. So my dog, my previous one, the one who passed away, he liked to put his face through the screen whenever the sheep were outside. Now the problem is that this screen is the one that's like right next to my bed. So if I want to open the window to get some like cool air in at night, well, I've got this right here. And I've had this for a while, and I've been meaning to fix it, but I never got around to it. So the other day, while I was trying to figure out things, whoa, see? Even Odin's mad. There's probably a cat outside. I got this repair kit thing. Hey, shut up. I'm trying to make a video. Yeah, shut up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Right now. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come in here. Look, you need to calm down. Yeah, here. See? Calm down. Calm down. I gotta fix the screen so that so we can open the window so you can smell the sheep and wake me up at night when there's foxes and stuff outside. Calm down. Okay, go lay down. Leave that cat alone. Okay. So I've got to fix this. I've got this thing. I'm hoping that this works. It should. If it doesn't, well, then I'm going to be kind of sad. So, yeah, this should be wide, more than wide enough. Okay, that was one of the things I was worried about, was it not being wide enough. So what I'll end up having to do is we got to take all this out, and then we got to put this in. I've got this stuff right here, which should fit in these edges. Window screen replacement kit. You know, the other thing too, though, is like I've got windows where the dogs didn't have access to, but it's still got holes in it. And I don't know how that happens. Like, do birds get on these things? Like, what? How does that even happen? So, I'm gonna have to, definitely gonna have to vacuum after this, because, like, let me get down in here. I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but like this stuff right here is just like dried and crunchy. So I'm gonna have to like cut all of that out, kind of yank this. Oh, it's going everywhere. Yeah, we're vacuuming after this, that's for sure. That's okay, though, because this room needed vacuumed anyways. One of the problems I'm going to probably have here is, well, I can't tear up this part. I probably should have done this in the garage and not in my office on the carpet. Okay, so got that out. That side anyways. This is coming out a little bit easier than I thought that it would. Probably. Because all this plastic that was meant to hold this in here, this seal, is just dry and archaic. I hope that this other stuff fits in there okay. Oh, it's coming out really easy. It's getting on me. Ugh. Yeah, that's going everywhere. Should have done this outside. Well, like I said, gives me an adequate reason to vacuum after the video. Now, depending on how easy this is, I've got like 7 more windows worth of this to go. Yeah. Which I'm hoping maybe I can get 2 windows, 3 windows worth out of this kit. It was like 15 bucks. I feel like I'm gonna cut my hand like this. Just getting this stuff everywhere, man. Trying to get, be nice if I had like a small pair of pliers or something. Yeah, there we go. So if you were redoing windows that weren't probably put in when the house was made, which this house I believe was built in 92, I never changed these windows. So I would surely wager that these windows, these screens anyways, have never ever been changed. Because, well, why would you? Like, who thinks about, oh, I've got to change my screens, you know, unless you get a hole in it, right? In which case, then you change it. But, like, unless you get a hole in your screen, you're not like, man, I need to put some fresh screen in my window. Yeah, most people don't do that. I don't think anyways. But then again, I'm also not most people, so maybe they do. Maybe this is something that homeowners do on like a regular basis, and I just don't know because I'm not a normal homeowner. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, go back in. No, what is this doing? Why is this not? Bro, this thing just floats? This middle part just kind of floats? Why is it not just like a set thing? Oh, this is such a mess. Yeah, we're doing the rest of these like outside or something. Because doing this inside was a big mistake. Big mistake. All right. So, I'm pretty sure we're only going to get like 1 screen out of this. In the future, I might buy different dimensions. Because I'd like to get more, obviously. I'll have to come through and cut part of this here. Let me see if I can. I'll make sure I get this stuff out of the corner. All right. It is out. Try to get this as close as possible so I'm not wasting a whole lot here. And we will start right here. You just wheelie this stuff in here. Oh, yeah, this is easy. You just use this little thing right here. You just wheelie it on in there. Well, that's pretty easy. And we take our knife, cut this in the corner, push it on in. Huh, all right. Well, that's not too bad. We're gonna have to like cut over here as well, because we're not going to be able to go, no. Yeah, let's just cut this off here. Not a big deal. Just wheel this on in. Come on the other side. Because that's where the pin to put it in the window frame is. Now I'm going to do one side, and then I'm going to like pull it tight, and then do the other side. I think that's probably the best way to do it. It might not be the straightest, but it's 2024, so, who cares, right? Plus, I am going to be the only one who sees it, unless I sell my house. Which I don't foresee myself doing anytime particularly soon. So, not a huge deal. Flip this side. I feel like I left a little bit too much over here on this side. Oh. Did they just put this bar in the middle just to make it look like how windows are supposed to look? This bar serves no purpose. Also, I feel like getting very wobbly here on this stuff. Uh-oh. No, that's fine. Alright, so pull this tight over here at this corner. Gonna have to cut this again up here in a minute. I might have enough for like maybe another small window, but not for like any more of my big windows like this. I don't think. But then again, maybe. I don't know. Just cram this in here. It is going a lot easier than I thought that it would. That's for sure. Uh-oh. I feel like there might be a problem down here at the bottom. We'll have to see. Actually, do I want to do the top over here? So the problem I have right now is, if you see, there's some like wobble down there. I don't know exactly how I'm going to stretch this out to get that out. Also, to be fair, I don't think I particularly care that much. What we're going to do to make this easier is I don't have a pair of scissors up here, which I guess I could go get a pair, but this works just fine. So we're going to cut this off. Stand this up. Cut this off here at the top. Let me get rid of all this extra. And I'm thinking that I go back up from the bottom here and try to work out this kink. And then get it done at the top. That should work out fine. Hopefully. Fingers crossed that I didn't just brick my thing. All right. Yeah, this should work fine. We'll get this wrinkle out just by pulling this tight. And yeah. So we'll just pull over here to the right. Let me actually just toss this on this side. This probably won't be the cleanest, tightest screen, but I didn't have to pay anybody to do it. So there's that. You know, I consider that a dub. This is pretty... No, this is pretty okay. Yeah, this is pretty... Yeah, that got the wrinkle out of it. Yeah. Then... Just keep her going. Just pull it tight. Yeah. Yeah, this was a better idea than trying to do the top over here as well. And then coming back through on the side. Definitely. Then we'll just come through, clean up around. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to cut this side. We're just going to pull this down. With inside. I don't think I have, I don't think I'm going to have enough for another one. I'll have to measure it out and see how much this was. But, looking at this, I don't see any waves or anything like that in it, so congratulations, we successfully rescreened a screen. If you guys like this, like, favorite, subscribe. I'm gonna go put this in after I trim this up, and then measure out the rest. I got a lot of windows to do. I got 2 more in the bedroom, 2 in the bathroom, I think 1 downstairs. Definitely doing this in the garage or somewhere. I made a hell of a mess. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Take it easy, homies. Peace out.